Welcome back, Cupid apprentices. If you're here, it means you're stuck in that confusing, sometimes frustrating gray area of dating. You've been seeing someone for a while, things are going great, but you're not quite sure where you stand. Are you just casually dating, or has it evolved into something more serious? In other words, to borrow a phrase from every rom-com ever, what are we? First, let's tackle the when. When should you have the DTR, or define the relationship, conversation? The truth is, there's no one-size-fits-all answer to this. It really depends on the pace of the relationship and the comfort level of both parties involved. However, a good indicator is when you start feeling anxiety about the ambiguity. When you find yourself constantly questioning their intentions, it might be time to have the talk. Now, onto the how. The DTR conversation can be nerve-wracking, but it's a necessary step to ensure both of you are on the same page. Here are a few tips on how to approach this delicate subject. Choose the right time and place. This isn't a conversation you want to have in a crowded bar or when one of you is rushing to work. Find a quiet, private space where you both can discuss openly without feeling rushed or distracted. Be honest and clear. It's essential to communicate your feelings clearly. Are you hoping to become exclusive? Are you not ready for a serious relationship yet? Whatever it is, let them know. It's better to be upfront now than to harbor unspoken expectations and get hurt later. Listen and be receptive. Once you've shared your thoughts, make sure to give them the space to express theirs. They might need some time to think things over, and that's okay. Remember, the goal of this conversation is to get clarity, not necessarily to get an immediate answer. Be prepared for any outcome. Keep in mind that they may not be on the same page as you are. They might want to keep things casual, or they might want to leap right into a serious relationship. Whatever their response, be prepared for it and know that it's okay. You're looking for someone whose relationship goals align with yours. Now, let's explore some signs that might indicate it's time to transition from casual to serious dating. Increased investment. You're spending more time with each other, you're making future plans, and you're opening up about personal matters. These are all signs of a deepening connection. Exclusive behavior. You're not interested in seeing other people, and neither are they. This could imply that you're both ready to take the next step. Emotional intimacy. You're sharing feelings, not just fun times. This level of emotional intimacy is a hallmark of serious relationships. Meeting the friends and family. If you're being introduced to their close circle or vice versa, it usually means things are getting serious. While these signs can hint at a readiness to define the relationship, the only surefire way to know is through open, honest communication. After all, assumptions and guesswork are the antithesis of a strong, clear relationship. Remember, every relationship is unique, and the transition from casual to serious dating looks different for everyone. Take the time to understand what you want from the relationship and communicate it with your partner. The goal is to find mutual understanding and happiness, whether that means becoming exclusive or parting ways. However, if you're in a situation where you've observed these signs, and you've mustered the courage to have the DTR define the relationship, talk, let's walk through some key points to consider. Mutual understanding. The conversation should end with a clear understanding of where both of you stand. If you want to become exclusive and they want to remain casual, you might have to reconsider if this is the right relationship for you. Remember, you shouldn't have to force someone into committing if they're not ready. Patience is key. Just because you're ready to define the relationship doesn't mean your partner will be too. It's essential to be patient and understanding. Give them time to process, especially if this conversation came out of the blue. Regular check-ins. Relationships evolve and change, so regular check-ins are crucial. These don't have to be as intense as the initial DTR conversation, but checking in periodically on each other's feelings and expectations helps keep the relationship healthy and harmonious. If you're stuck on how to start the DTR conversation, here are a few starters. I've really enjoyed spending time with you, and I've started to feel like this might be more than just casual for me. How do you feel about our relationship? We've been seeing each other for a while now, and I feel like I'm ready to take things to the next level. What are your thoughts on becoming exclusive? I've really started to care about you, and I'm not interested in seeing other people. How do you feel about that? While these might seem like heavy conversation starters, being honest and open is the best way to navigate this potentially tricky discussion. Remember, defining the relationship is an important step in the dating process. It provides clarity, reduces anxiety, and helps ensure you and your partner are on the same page. Be patient with yourself and with your partner, and don't rush the process. Good things, after all, take time. And most importantly, always stay true to yourself. In the pursuit of love, never compromise on your needs and desires. A relationship that's meant for you will unfold naturally and at a pace that's comfortable for both parties involved. So, that's a wrap on our guide to transitioning from casual dating to defining a serious relationship. Remember to communicate, be patient, and always stay true to yourself. After all, the journey of love is all about understanding, compromise, and growth. Happy dating?